Let's hear now some other fundamental identities. So identities means here now like a formula. Okay. First identity is if there is sine A, clear, and its square plus cos A and square. Okay. Square of sine A plus square of cos A. This is always equal to 1. This is a very important formula. Or same thing you can write down this way also. This you have to write down sine square A plus cos square A. This will be 1. Okay, this is the formula. So this square goes for this sine or cos, not for this angle A. Okay, so don't write down A square. You have to write down sine square A cos square A. Okay. Now to prove this, you can use it. Use here now. It's square of the sine square and cos square. The sum will equal to 1. So to prove. Now from left hand side, okay, you can prove it or you can check it. Sine square A plus cos square A. Okay, sine square A means what? Square of sine A. So you can write down square of sine A. And similarly, cos square A means square of cos A. Okay. Now you can use here now trigonometric ratio. Sine A means what? P by 8. And here is the square outside. And cos A means what? B by 8. Clear? Now this square goes for both P by 8. So this will be P square by 8 square and plus there will be B square by 8 square. Now in denominator h square and h square. You can write it in this way in single form. This P square plus B square divided by h square. Okay. From our Pythagoras theorem, we know that P square plus B square is equal to h square. Okay. From Pythagoras, if the triangle is right angle triangle, then square of perpendicular plus square of base, this will be equal to square of hypotenuse. So now P square plus B square means what? H square. So here P square plus B square, you can write down H square. And there is already another down here now in denominator H square. Okay. Now H square can be cancelled. So there will be 1. That means now this left hand side will be equal to the right hand side, RHS. Clear? So you have to remember this is the formula first. Okay. Now similarly, other remaining identity you can see here now. Number 2. If you find 1 plus tan square A, then this will be equal to sec square A. Okay, you can prove using a similar process. Just before here we have proved this line. Okay, now similarly second line also you can use. You can use trigonometric ratio. Trigonometric ratio is what? Tan A means what? P by B. Okay, put here now, then square it and find the sum. This will be equal to sec square A. Okay, and similarly third will be 1 plus cot square A. This gives cosec square A. Okay, so these are very important fundamental identities. Sin square A plus cos square A equal to 1. Number 2, 1 plus tan square A equal to sec square A. Third, 1 plus cot square A equal to cosec square A. Okay, you can learn now or you can prove this remaining 2 using same process just like before.